Dear students, good morning. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to our science class. Children, what we studied in our previous classes? Can you say the title of our lesson? Yes, very good. Force and pressure. Is it, children? So, we are studying about force. Is it? Okay. What we studied previously? Yes. Yes, we studied about different effects of forces on an object. Is it, children? We studied about the effects of force on an object. Okay. So today in this class we are going to discuss about the types of forces like contact force and non-contact force. Okay. So today in this class we are going to discuss about what is mean by contact force and the examples of contact force, and we are going to study about non-contact force. Okay, children. So just read this. Yes, contact force, and the second one is non-contact force. Okay. Okay, children, listen carefully. It is in textbook page number 84. Okay, it is page number 84 in your textbook. Listen, these forces can be classified into two types. Okay, how many types? Two types. The forces can be classified into two types. Okay, can you say what are they? Yes, contact force and non-contact force. All of you say, what are the two types of forces? Yes, contact force. All of you say contact force, and the second one is non-contact force. Okay, children? Listen, children, contact force means in this force when the source and the object they are in contact. Okay, so that force is called as contact force. Okay, here this muscular force and the frictional force are the examples of contact force. Children, can you say the examples for contact force? Yes, very good. Muscular force and what? Frictional force. These two are the examples of what? Contact force. Okay, children. Okay, once again, what are the two types of forces? Yes, very good. Contact force, and the second one is non-contact force. Okay, can you say the example for contact force? Yes, very good. Muscular force and frictional force. Okay, what is mean by contact force? Yes, when the source and the object, what? When the source and the object are in contact. So it is called as contact force. Okay, so now we are going to study some of the examples for muscular force. Okay, so I am going to teach you about what is mean by muscular force. Children, here animals and humans only produce muscular force. Okay, animals and humans will produce what? Muscular force. Okay, so here force exerted by the muscles of the body are called muscular force. Can you say what is meant by it? Is very easy. What is meant by muscular force? Force exerted by the muscles of the body. Okay. What is meant by muscular force? Force exerted by the muscles of the body. Human beings are made up of bones and muscles. And the animals also made up of bones and muscles. Okay. So animals and humans produce muscular force. Okay. For example, A bodybuilder uses muscular force to lift weight. Okay, so bodybuilder use what? Muscular force to lift the weights. Have you understood, children? Okay, what is mean by muscular force? Force exerted by the muscles of the body are called muscular force. Okay, can you say? Force exerted by the muscles of the body. Okay, so here humans and animals produce muscular force. Okay, next, second one is frictional force. What is second one? Second one is frictional force. Listen, force between two surfaces rubbing against each other are called frictional force. Okay, force between two surfaces rubbing against each other are called frictional force. Okay, so what does mean by frictional force? Force between two surfaces rubbing against each other. Okay, so can you say some example for frictional force? Where? Okay, friction between our shoes and the ground help us walk. Okay, children. Have you understood, children? What we studied in this class? We studied about the classification of forces. What are the types of forces? Yes, contact force, and the second one is non-contact force. Is it, children? Okay. What is meant by contact force? Yes, when the source and the object are in contact are called contact force. What is meant by non-contact force? When the source and the object are not in contact. Okay, are not in contact are called non-contact force. Okay. Okay, children, what are the types of contact force? Yes, very good. Muscular force and frictional force. Okay, muscular force and frictional force. Dear children, it is in page number 84 in your science textbook. Okay, next class we will study about the types of non-contact force. Okay, children, take care. Thank you.